All substances are made up of very tiny particles. Electric charge is an intrinsic property of these particles. This happens because of two opposite types of charges are present in equal number in all these substances. When the positive charge indicated by plus and the negative charge indicated by minus on an object are balanced, the object is neutral. That is, there is no net charge on the object. If these charges are not balanced, the object is said to be charged. That is, when positive charges and negative charges are not same, are not balanced, that means the object is said to be charged. Let's understand an example on textbook page number 51 under the point try this. There are two cases in this. In the first case, one glass rod is hanged with the help of the string tied to a support, and in the second one also the glass rod is hanged with the help of a string to the support. But what is the difference between two? In the first case, the another object is used that is also of glass rod, and in second case the another object used which is in the hand of a person is of plastic. The rod is of plastic. When these rods are rubbed on a woolen cloth or a nylon cloth, we get to observe that when the glass rod comes closer to the glass rod after rubbing it on nylon cloth, it is seen that they run far away from each other. In the second case, we see that the plastic rod comes closer to the glass rod. Since there are equal charges in glass, they are not getting attracted, they repel. And there are not same charges in plastic and in glass, they are different. As a result, the unbalanced charges attract each other and the balanced charges, they are same. So therefore they repel each other. What means attraction and repulsion now? Attraction means coming closer to each other and repulsion means opposite, running far away from each other. What is the origin of electric charge? All substances are made up of small particles, and these small particles are made up of atoms. There are different number of atoms in different substances. These atoms have positive charges as well as negative charges, like as how the coin sides, one heads and one tails. So same way, every atom has positive as well as negative charges. The positive charges remain stationary. They are not moving from their own place. So they remain stationary. Whereas negative charges keep on moving around the atom. When the positive and negative charges are equal, when they are balanced, that time an atom is electrically neutral. All objects are made up of atoms, which means that they are electrically neutral. Then how do objects become electrically charged? In some cases, in some objects, there are imbalanced particles, negative charge and the positive charge. When they are not equal, for example, when we rub any object on another object, the outer surface is rubbed on the another object. Therefore, the charge which is present outside, that is negative charge, goes from one object to the another object. That is, it becomes imbalanced. It is not equal now. Therefore, it becomes charged object. It is now electrically charged object. Now you have to perform one experiment. Objects are given in the table: balloon, ball pen refill, eraser, wooden ruler, steel spoon and copper strip. Where the paper pieces get attracted, does the object get charged that you have to fill? Yes or no? What is the process? Let's read. First, take the objects mentioned in the chart near some small pieces of paper and observe what happens. Then rub each of these objects in turn against one of the given material and take it near the pieces of paper. Record your observation in the chart. So what you have to do? You have to take all these objects and one by one you have to rub it against another object. And you have to check whether the pieces of paper get attracted towards it. Accordingly, you will write yes or no. So that is the experiment for you. Thank you.